Have you ever asked yourself what truly separates those who achieve their dreams from those who just keep wishing? It's not talent, it's not luck, it is not even opportunity. It is something invisible, powerful, and deeply personal. That is self belief. The courage to say, I can do it, even when no one else believes you can. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Professor Pravin Buge, Certified Career Counselor, Consultant, Trainer, and Therapist. And today I want to speak to you about the power of self belief, the foundation of every success. Because every achievement you see around you, every innovation, every discovery, every inspiring story started with the one human being who choose to believe in themselves before anyone else did. Think about the Wright Brothers, who dreamt of flying even the entire world say it is impossible. They didn't have degrees in aeronautics. They didn't have technology. All they had was a faith in their dream. And that faith, that belief, gave birth to the first airplane. The world called them foolish. History called them pioneers. That's what self-belief does. It turns doubt into direction and dreams into destiny. But let's be honest. Believing in yourself is not always easy. When you fail again and again, when people laugh, when your own mind says, maybe I am not good enough, that's when belief is tested. And in those moments, most people quit. But achievers, they do not stop there. They whisper to themselves, even if no one else sees it, I shall still believe in me. Let me share a story that always inspires. A young man once applied for the 30 different jobs and was rejected every single time. He even applied to be a waiter in a local restaurant but was told he was not good looking enough for the job. That young man's name was Jack Ma, the founder of Alibaba, one of the biggest e-commerce empires in the world. He said, the best teacher in life is a rejection because every no he heard only strengthened his inner yes. That's self-belief in action, turning failure into fuel. Remember, people do not see what's inside you, they only see a result. So, if you start doubting yourself based on others' opinion, you shall never reach your full potential. Self-belief is like a seed. You have to water it daily with positive thoughts, discipline, and patience. When you stop comparing, when you stop explaining, when you quietly start working, you start building something the world cannot ignore. There is another beautiful example. Helen Keller. She was blind and deaf from early childhood. Yet she became a writer, a speaker, and an inspiration for millions. People often ask her, how did you do it? She replied, the only thing worse than being blind is having the sight but no vision. And that's the essence of self belief. Seeing the invisible and believing it until it becomes visible. Now, let's bring this to our own life. Every one of us has dreams to build a business, to study abroad, to change career, to heal from failure, or to prove our worth. But the biggest obstacle is not the competition, it is the voice inside our head that say, what if I fail? To that voice, I say, what if you fly? Because success is not guaranteed, but growth is when you start believing. So, from today, make this promise to yourself. I will no longer doubt my abilities. I will not let one failure define me. I will believe even when there is no evidence, because belief itself creates evidences. Keep reminding yourself you are capable, you are worthy, and you are becoming the person you once dreamed of being. Because in the end, success does not start with opportunity, it starts with the belief. Believe first, achieve next.